Hello everyone, welcome back to a lesson for grade 7 as we continue with our topic algebras. So we're going to do a evaluation of expressions. So I have my example here. It says evaluate the expression of y equals to 4 and 2 equals to 5. And then it says yz. So what do they mean by yz? Yz simply means you have to multiply. You multiply y and z. So for y, here we have 4, y is equal to 4 and z is equal to 5. So we say 4 times 5, in the bracket it simply means times, is equal to 4 times 5 is equal to 20. So this is our answer. Yz is equal to 4 times 5, which is equal to 20. You do the same as you given another example, like evaluate the expression of w is equal to 7 and x is equal to 3, and then it says w plus x. So always find the keywords here, which is w plus x, or is it yx, or is it y minus x, or is it what? So here it's w plus x. So you say 7, our w is equal to 7 and our x is equal to 3. So we say 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. So w plus x is equal to 7 plus 3, which is 10. The next one, it says evaluate the expression of u equals to 2 and v equals to 5, and then it says uv. So our keyword here is uv. Uv, we said uv like this, it simply means you have to multiply. You are multiplying a u and a v. So our u is equal to 2, our v is 5. So you say 2 bracket 5. Remember, the bracket simply means multiplying. So 2 bracket 5 is equal to 2 times 5, which is equal to 10, like this. So this is how you do the evaluation of u, v. Always find the keywords, which is it uv, is it u plus v, is it u minus v. Always know these keywords, what you're going to do. Like here is uv, so you're simply going to multiply. The other one, it says evaluate the expression of p equals to 9 and q equals to 10. Q equals to 12. Then it says PQ. So PQ, we're going to multiply. So our P is equal to 9, our Q is equal to 12. So let's multiply 9 bracket 12 is 9 times 12. 9 times 12, we multiply the 12 and the 9. 12 times 9, 9 times 2, that's 18, 8 get 1, 9 times 1, that's 9, plus 1, that's 10. So our answer is 108. So PQ is equal to 108, like this. The next one, it says evaluate the expression of x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 23, and then it says xy. So xy, we're going to multiply. And then you say y is equal to 23, x is equal to 7. So you multiply 23 times 7, 7 times 3, 21, 1 kept 2, 7 times 2, 14, plus 2, 16. So your answer is xy is equal to 161, like this. So this is how you do, and always always know the keyword. Like example, it says evaluate the expression of y is equal to 2 and x is equal to 5 and z is equal to 16. Then it says yx plus z. Remember, we have to know the keywords here. We have yx and plus z. So what do they mean? You have to multiply. You multiply and then you add. So we first multiply. Y and x. Y is equal to 2, x is equal to 5. So 2 bracket 5, that's 10. And then you add 10 plus z. What is our z? Is 16. So you say 10 plus 16 is equal to 26. So this is how you do evaluation of expressions whenever you're given a y and an x, and you have to know the keywords. What are you going to do? Are you going to multiply? Are you going to subtract? Are you going to do addition? And always remember that. So this is all for evaluation for our lesson today. Until we meet again in our next lesson. Bye for now. Bye.